All right, artists, today is one of those magical learning at home days because you get to do something that I never let you do in the art room. Today, you are making paper airplanes. Let's do it. All right, so first I need to make my paper airplane, and I make the basic kind, but you can do whatever kind you want for this project. It really doesn't matter, it's up to you. But I'm gonna do the most basic kind that I remember making as a kid. I never won any contests with this, but they were fun, and I know how to make them. So I fold my paper in half this way, get the two halves, then I take the front corner and I fold it back, and I get this really nice straight triangle. Press my fold. Gonna turn it over and do the same thing. Fold it back. Again, I get this really nice triangle. Press my fold. So now your airplane should look about like this. And then you just fold this end. Should get a straight line if you fold right to the bottom. Make sure it lines up and press your fold, and you're just going to do the same thing on the other side. Fold down, line it up against the bottom. And press your fold. You just pop your wings out, they're pressed down, just pop them out. And there you have a paper airplane. But this is art at home, so we need to do more. We need to decorate our airplanes, and I think I'm going to draw mine as a bird. Perfect, right? Flying. All right, here we go. All right, now I'm going to start designing my bird. Try and make it so that it matches on both sides. So this will be an easier way to do it. Kind of unfold it and make this symmetrical. Yours don't have to be symmetrical, but for my design, that's what I was looking to do. Okay, looking pretty good so far, particularly from underneath, but we can't forget about the tops of the wings too, so I'm going to go ahead and feather those. I'm refolding just to make sure I only need to do these two areas, so this can stay white in the middle, but I'm just going to do this area and this area. Now I've decided I'm gonna make my plane into the Rainbow Eagle. I'm using crayon because I think the wax from the crayon might actually make my plane a little stronger. I'm not sure, it's just a theory. I overlap my colors and then let them fade out to get that nice rainbow gradient. I used my purple crayon to put a little shadow under each feather just to give it a little depth. A little realism. Alright my friends, I've got my plane all decked out, looking pretty boss, the Rainbow Eagle. Only one thing left to do. Let's see how she flies. So it flies pretty good, and you know what? It looked good doing it. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Take a picture of your plane, post them on the website. Fun times, guys. All right, I'll catch you later.